Hey, what's up? Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my mom's channel. So in this video, I'm gonna share some amazing DIY friendship day cards which you can give to your friends with very simple instruments that are present in my home and what you can do in lockdown. So let's get started. So on the very first DIY, we need a pair of scissors, some colorful peppers, then we need A4 size paper. I used only white color. If you're having colorful, use that. The result will be more nice. So actually I was not having that in my home, for that's why I've not used. Now you need to cut out some heart shapes from colorful peppers. My one was 2-in-1. If you want, you can do it with a single colored paper and just paste it randomly with the help of a glue. You can make any shape of it, but I just placed it randomly like balloons and then wrote the happy friendship day. And so this is the result. Hope you have liked watching this. I too was very excited and I was very happy on making this. When lockdown will get over, I'll make it for my friend and I'll give it to them. If you really enjoy watching our videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to notified on every sorts of new and interesting videos coming out, and make sure you like this video. In the second DIY, we need some acrylic colors, and then we need some pens, glitter pens, scissors, gum, and some sheets with some pearls, and that's all. So let's get started with second DIY. This card is a little bit complicated, but yes, something which you can try. And so follow the procedure how to make it. Actually, I was not having many colored sheets in my home, so I colored it with acrylic colors. If you're having this pink color sheet, then try with that. The result would be much better. And if possible, then make it with the dark pink and black color, then it would look more gorgeous. But it's okay. My one was also okay. I was satisfied. The pearls which I have used over here, if it's not there in your home or if you can't go outside to buy this, then you can take it off from your old clothes or old hairbands or clips. This was there in my home and so I made it. If it's not there, don't get upset. Look for your old clothes and hairbands and your bracelets and every other things, and then paste it over here. Your friend will be really happy when you will present her or him this gift. See guys, I don't know why the writing is not visible over here. I basically wrote here best friends forever. I made this for my bestie, so I don't know why it's not visible in the camera, but in reality it was looking nice. So this was our today's video. Hope you enjoyed watching it. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified. Bye. Allah Hafiz.